Welcome back. Let's just update our viewers about the IT raids that have been going on in Madhya Pradesh in Bhopal. Now, other than the unaccounted cash, what we're getting to hear is that 3 illegal weapons, animal trophies, animal skins has also been recovered from the residence of a person who has been identified as Ashwin Sharma from Bhopal. He is the associate of Praveen Kakkad, who is the officer on special duty to Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath. So this is the latest about the recoveries about these illegal weapons, animal skins and all sorts of other things that has been recovered by the IT department. In fact, the Central Board of Direct Taxes has been carrying out these raids, and so far they have recovered crores of unaccounted cash. Hemendra, my colleague, joins us for more on this. Hemendra, just tell us a little bit more, some shocking discoveries there by the IT sleuths who are carrying out these raids in Bhopal. Hemendra, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, Hemendra, if you can hear me.
Can you please repeat your question?
Can you please tell us a little bit more about these shocking discoveries? These raids have been a development in Madhya Pradesh that could have far-reaching political implications.
Well, the income tax raids are still continuing. In fact, the income tax sleuths are still inside the house of Ashwini Sharma, who is a close heir of Praveen Kakkad, who was the OSD of the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Kamal Nath, till the model code of conduct was put in place. And not just the money that the income tax department has already revealed, and also the documents and the Hawala money trail that has been found, it is also skins of wildlife animals. In fact, trophies of 6 animals have been recovered, 1 tiger skin has been recovered, and also 5 weapons have been recovered. Of these 5 weapons, 2 are legal weapons. Ashwin Sharma has got licenses of 2 of these weapons, but 3 are illegal weapons. They don't have the license. And also, the district collector had issued guidelines after the model code of conduct came into place that all weapons, licensed weapons, had to be deposited with the local police station. That has also not been done. So the forest department has moved in, the local police has moved in. They have taken stock of the situation, but no case has so far been registered against Ashwin Sharma for possession of these illegal animal skins and weapons. The income tax department is still listing down the recoveries, and after the income tax department moves out, the local police and the forest department would be moving in. But so far they have just done their survey, found out what they have done, and also brought out pictures of what they have actually found inside.
All right, thank you so much for joining us, Hemendra, and telling us a little bit more about all those shocking recoveries during the IT raids.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.